right, what's next? Japanese. Zero. Wow. All right, the story of this airplane. I love these plaques. Get my camera back up on her. Zoom out a little bit. This Zero was one of many Japanese combat planes damaged by American bombing in New Guinea during World War II. In the early 1990s, the wrecked plane was discovered by a warbird hunter and the Santa Monica Museum of Flying. 3 recovered Zeros, including this one, were sent to Russia for restoration. The fighter's salvageable parts were retained, while missing or heavily damaged components were created by Russian craftsmen. In order to operate dependably, each aircraft was fitted with a specially modified American radial engine created by fighter rebuilders in Chino, California. Final restoration took place at the Century Aviation in Wenatchee, Washington, and this Zero flew again in 2011. So they put an American reliable Pratt Whitney engine in her. And made this one flyable. Wow, I wonder how they do the landing gear. They clean it all up and make it again. Big thick wing on this one. And these wingtips fold up. Folded up wingtips there for the carriers to make them a little bit smaller, kind of cool. Next to it is like a Spitfire.